Skid steer loader various attachments demonstration. Rock breaker attachment. High impact force. Breaks rock and concrete efficiently. Angle broom sweeper attachment. Efficient road and yard cleaning. Sweep dust and debris quickly. Grass rake attachment. Clear weeds. Dry grass and scattered branches across large. Working hour as perfect for farmland renovation and pre-construction site land clearing. It works well on uneven, rough, and bumpy field terrain, effectively sifting out surface rubble, fallen leaves, and waste debris. Heavy-duty, reinforced building supports long hours continuous field work. Flexible movement adapts to narrow and tight space operation scenarios. Great for garden tidying, orchard cleanup, and wilderness site preparation. Reliable, stable performance for all kinds of outdoor heavy-duty clearing tasks. Standard digging bucket attachment. Load and move soil and gravel. Complete earth-moving jobs easily. Durable bucket body for long-time service. High volume for higher handling efficiency. Perfect for digging, backfilling, and stockpiling materials. Fast attachment replacement. No extra tools needed for switching. Meet multiple site requirements. One machine handles demolition cleaning, land clearing, and earth moving. Reduce your equipment investment costs. Custom solutions available. Different attachments for your project. Contact us for more details and quotations.